guys, it's question number 8, which states that the following diagram shows 2 points A and B such that OA is A and OB is equal to B. The point P lies on AB so that AP is equal to lambda AB, where the value of lambda is between 0 and 1. So in part A, we have to show that OP, this is OP, is equal to 1 minus lambda A plus lambda B. Now, take a look, solve question number 8 part A. We have to show OP is equal to 1 minus lambda A plus lambda B. Now, by using vector addition rule, this and this, which states that the resultant vector, here the resultant vector is OP, the resultant vector is equal to sum of all vectors. The OA plus AP is equal to O. Now, and what is OAP? So, OA, value of OA is A and value of AP is lambda AB. Now, we don't know the value of AB. To find the value of AB, you can also use head to tail rule. We consider this one vector, second vector, and this is the resultant vector. So AB is, we find AB as OB is equal to OA plus AB. Now AB is equal to OB minus OA. Now putting values of OA and OB, we have AB is equal to B minus A. Let's name this equation as equation 1. Now put the value of AB in equation 1. We have OP is equal to A plus lambda B minus A. A plus lambda B minus lambda A. Now let's take these two terms. We have common is A and 1 minus lambda plus lambda B. Is it what we have to prove? Yes, it is. Now solve part B. Part B states that it is given that mod A is 1, mod B is 2, and A dot B is equal to 1 by 4. In the case that OP is perpendicular to AB, find the value of lambda. We know that the dot product of perpendicular vectors OP is perpendicular to AB. The dot product will be 0. Putting the values OP is A 1 minus lambda plus lambda b and dot b minus a is equal to 0. Now by multiplying these terms, we have a dot b 1 minus lambda minus a dot a into 1 minus lambda plus b dot b lambda minus a dot b lambda is equal to 0. This and this, we know that the dot product of same vectors or parallel vectors a dot a is equal to a mod into a mod. The angle between these two parallel or same vectors is 0 degree. So cos 0 is 0. So a dot a becomes a square. Similarly, b dot b is equal to b square. So a dot b 1 minus lambda minus a mod square 1 minus lambda plus b mod square lambda minus a dot b lambda is equal to 0. Now putting the values, we have a dot b is 1 by 4 1 minus lambda plus a square is 1 square 1 minus lambda, b is 2 square lambda is 1 by 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now opening the brackets, we have 1 by 4 minus lambda by 4 minus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 minus becomes plus and it's lambda plus 2 by 4 lambda minus 1 by 4 lambda. Now combining the like terms with lambda and without lambda, we have 1 by 4 minus 1 and it's minus lambda by 4 plus lambda plus 4 lambda minus lambda by 4 is equal to 0. Now taking the LCM, 1 by 4 minus 1 multiplied by 4 1 multiplied by 4. We multiply and divide by 4 to make this denominator same so that we can add or subtract the terms. Minus lambda by 4 plus lambda multiplied by 4 1 multiplied by 4 plus 4 lambda multiplied by 4 1 multiplied by 4 minus lambda by 4 is equal to 0. Become 1 minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 squares. Similarly, lambda plus 4 lambda plus 16 lambda minus lambda is equal to 0. Minus 3 by 4 Now taking common, minus common, and we have lambda by 4 also common. So what we left inside the bracket is pi by lambda by 4. Here we left 1, and the signs become inverted. The positive sign becomes negative and negative sign becomes positive as we are taking negative common. So here we left is 4 and plus 16, it's minus 16, minus lambda by 4 is plus 1. So minus 3 by 4 minus lambda by 4, here is minus 20 plus 2 is minus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 3 by 4 and minus become plus 18 lambda by 4 is equal to 0. So we have common, here is 4 minus 3 plus 18 lambda 4 is equal to 0, minus 3 plus 18 lambda, here the 4 is dividing, so when we take this 4 to the other side, it multiplies by 0 and becomes 0. Now this minus 3 when goes to the other side becomes positive 3. So 18 lambda is equal to 3. Now lambda is equal to 3 by 18, which is 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So we have the final value of lambda is 1 by 6. Here is the answer. Thanks for watching this.